Hi, I'm Garvin. Welcome to our telehealth video series. In this video, I will give a brief overview of what you need to know about colds and flu. In particular, I will cover what are they, how you treat them, and how you can improve your symptoms while you're recovering. So we start with what are colds and flu. The common cold, including chest cold and head cold, and seasonal flu are caused by viruses. Use over-the-counter cold medications to relieve symptoms including sore throat, runny nose, congestion, and cough. Flu symptoms are similar but include fever, headache, and muscle soreness. So you need to see a doctor who may prescribe antiviral medications such as Influenza or Tamiflu. They're on prescription only. So the symptoms, we'll go through each one. So the first one is sneezing. So sneezing, what does this mean? Your body is expelling bacteria and other particles with a sudden involuntary burst of air. Don't suppress a sneeze as your body is trying to evict the irritants. When to worry? Almost never, but if sneezing interferes with your life or persists after other symptoms are gone, talk to your doctor to find out if an allergy might be the cause. And a home remedy for sneezing: use Kleenex antiviral tissues, helps prevent the spread of viruses. If you don't have tissues, sneeze into your upper sleeve, not your hands. You'll be less likely to pass germs on. And over-the-counter medicines, some antihistamines, the sedating varieties, can help cut down on the sneeze reflex. But most experts advise you leave this fairly innocuous symptom untreated. And the next symptom, chills and fever. So what it means: chills are the way the body generates heat when it feels cold. They usually precede a fever, the body's method for defending itself by raising its temperature to fight a virus. And when to worry? Call your doctor if your temperature rises above 39 degrees, if a fever persists for 72 hours without breaking, or if you also have shortness of breath or dizziness. And home remedies: to stay hydrated, sip your favourite liquids. Sponging off with warm water may help give you relief. And over-the-counter medicines would be paracetamol or ibuprofen, can lower a fever that's making you uncomfortable. So the next symptom is sore throat. So what does it mean? Mucus is dripping into the back of your throat, causing irritation and inflammation. And when you need to worry: if you have severe difficulty swallowing or breathing, call your doctor to rule out more serious illnesses such as bacterial infection. In home remedies, gargle with warm salt water, soothe a scratchy throat with liquids such as caffeine-free tea and broth, or cool down a fiery one with an ice cube or an ice pops. And over-the-counter remedies would be paracetamol or ibuprofen. So the next symptom is runny nose. So what does it mean? Your body has stepped up mucus production to remove the cold or flu virus from your nasal passages. When you need to worry: if your health doesn't improve after 1 week, you could have a bacterial sinus infection, which may require treatment with an antibiotic. And home remedies: drink fluids to thin mucus. Chicken soup may help reduce inflammation. Sniff gently into a tissue, as blowing hard can lead to sinus problems. And over-the-counter remedies: use a saline spray to help irrigate your nasal passages, or use an oral decongestant or antihistamine. Next symptom is sinus pressure. So what it means: mucus has congested the nasal passages and may be trapped in the sinuses because they are not draining properly. When you need to worry: if you have a fever of more than 39 degrees, you may have a bacterial infection which can be treated with antibiotics. And home remedies: keep your sinuses moist by using a humidifier, or stand over a sink filled with hot water. And over-the-counter remedies: a decongestant spray can help ease congestion and swelling. The symptom, next one, is cough. So what it means: a reflex that keeps the throat clear. A cough is triggered when excessive mucus or some other irritant has irritated the nerve endings in the respiratory tract. When you should worry: if you're short of breath and coughing up blood or discoloured mucus, you may have bronchitis, sinusitis, or pneumonia. And home remedies: to soothe an irritated throat with hard-boiled sweets or drink warm fluids. Over-the-counter remedies, products with pseudoephedrine work but can make you sleepy. Non-drowsy versions with phenylephrine aren't as effective. Ibuprofen may reduce throat inflammation. So the next symptom, swollen glands. So what it means, your lymph nodes are producing an army of infection-fighting cells to battle the invading virus. And when you need to worry, if your glands remain enlarged for several weeks after a cold or flu has gone, that could be, in rare cases, a sign of a more serious illness such as lymphoma. Home remedies, there's not much you can do to reduce swollen glands. They should return to normal within a few weeks. Over-the-counter remedies, other cold or flu symptoms will probably bother you more, but paracetamol or ibuprofen can ease any discomfort caused by enlarged glands. The next symptom is body aches. What it means is more common with the flu. All over aches are a sign your body is releasing chemicals that help your white blood cells fight off an infection. And when you need to worry, only if the aches are incapacitating, which is rarely the case with the cold or flu. And home remedies, get plenty of rest and take warm baths to soothe your muscles. So try using a heating pad or heated water bottles. And over-the-counter remedies would be paracetamol or ibuprofen will relieve the pain. And how to stay healthy during the cold and flu season. So strengthen your body's defenses by eating well, drinking lots of water, exercising regularly, and staying away from people who appear sick. If you do get a bug, pamper yourself. Eat antioxidant-rich foods such as whole grain cereals, walnuts, and artichoke, as well as foods packed with omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon. The antioxidants protect the body's tissues against stress and inflammation and enhance immune function. Omega-3 fatty acids promote blood flow and the production of anti-inflammatory substances, which also boost immune function. Take a break, a brisk walk every day. Any kind of moderate daily exercise, such as cycling, swimming, or working out at the gym, can improve lung and immune function. Physical activity enhances the ability of T lymphocytes, while blood cells that attack virus and cancer cells, to revamp or ramp up the immune response. But don't push yourself too hard. Some studies suggest that high-intensity exercise for 2 or more hours at a time increases stress hormones, which can lead to suppression of the immune system. So stay 3 or more feet away from people who are coughing or sneezing. This will keep you outside the immediate spray of their germs. Wash your hands frequently and thoroughly. If you're not near a sink during the day or you work in a high germ environment such as a school, carry an alcohol-based hand sanitizer with you. Drink lots of water, don't skimp on sleep, and get a flu shot. The tried and true advice still holds. Staying well hydrated keeps the tissues of the respiratory system moist and helps the immune system work properly. Sleep helps the body function at an optimum level. If you get 7 to 8 hours of rest a night, you'll be less likely to become sick. And if you don't catch something, you'll recover faster. If you do catch something, you'll recover faster. October through November is the best time to be immunised. Finally, there are numerous products available at Lynch's Pharmacy in Douglas and Cork to assist in managing colds and flu. So we have various supplements and products which you can purchase from us without a prescription, such as paracetamol-based products such as Lemsip Uniflu, and the Nurofen-based products such as Sudapro. We also supply vitamin C, zinc, magnesium, and probiotics. We also stock light boxes to promote relaxation, blood pressure monitors and blood sugar monitors, and body fat monitors to monitor your health. So that brings this video to an end. So call in to us at Lynch's Pharmacy in Douglas, in Cork, or call 021 436 6923 if you want to find out more. Stay watching, stay healthy, stay informed.